My name is Mark Smith and I'm the founder of Factory 5 Racing. In this video, we want to get you to know our company. We will show you in detail the specifics of our kit. These are the things that have established the Factory 5 Racing Cobra as the best engineered Cobra of all time. We will also discuss the features and performance of the finished car, and we will introduce you to the people and systems that have made Factory 5 Racing the leading Cobra replica manufacturer.
In 1995, our team here at Factory 5 Racing began manufacturing a revolutionary new Cobra replica. The concept was to take the complete drivetrain package from the modern Mustang 5.0, place it in a tubular steel and aluminum 427 style chassis, and wrap it in a period-authentic vintage exterior. Our challenge was to do this with the highest quality materials and original parts, but also to manufacture it using the most modern technologies to keep the price within your reach. This idea has revolutionized the replica industry and delivered a new level of dependability and engineering excellence to a world grown accustomed to the shortcomings of the typical fiberglass kit car. In the words of Jim Smart, editor of Peterson's Mustangs and Fords magazines, this ain't no kit car. The Factory 5 Racing Cobra replica package comes with everything you need to complete your car except a Ford Mustang 5.0 donor vehicle. This means that when you have our kit and a late model Ford Mustang, you already have everything you need to complete and drive your roadster. Let's take a close look at the components that come standard with the Factory 5 Racing package. At the heart of any quality Cobra is a superior frame. The Factory 5 Racing 427 replica features an original style 4-inch round tube frame with 4 cross members. It was designed to be a virtual clone of the original AC Ford frame, but with the help of modern computer technology, 3D modeling, and better materials, it is not only stronger, but also safer. Each part is precision cut by computer numeric controlled lasers for absolute precision. Our CNC fabrication results in a perfect part with exceptional finish and a high degree of reproducibility. This means that you'll be free from fitment headaches and cutting and welding hassles during your assembly process. The completed frame is delivered to you coated in a long-lasting and durable satin black finish. It is shipped as an assembled part of your kit, with aluminum panels fastened in place and body mounted securely.
When we designed our chassis, we wanted to stick as close as possible to the original frame. We added some important features that made it stronger and increased the safety without compromising the faithfulness to the original design. We made small materials changes, we made small structural changes, and to do this we also wanted to accommodate the more modern running gear. First off, we increased the wall thickness of the 4-inch round tubes. We went from 095 to 120 stock. Next, we upgraded the quality of the steel. The 4-inch round tubes are made from higher strength 1020 DOM steel, and like the tubing, we went with a plate steel that was higher grade A36 certified plate steel. Our 4 cross member design includes a well-engineered double shear suspension mount, a reinforced X-member front suspension, front and rear energy absorbing crumple zones, steel door frame liners, a 2-inch diameter frame mounted SCCA legal roll bar, and we mounted the structural items right to the frame. The safety harnesses, the doors, the trunk, the windshield, all those bolt directly to the frame, not the fiberglass body. What we've done by combining aluminum chassis panels and a good strong tube frame, something that's been relatively common in race car construction for years, is that we've left the fiberglass bucket dune buggy stuff behind. The thing for you to remember is that we drive and race our cars ourselves. After being myself involved in a serious crash, ending upside down at about 70 miles an hour, I can testify to the amazing strength and safety of our chassis.
Here at Factory 5, we design and fabricate our aluminum chassis components using 3D CAD software. This software is the same as used by modern race car designers like Lotus, Ferrari, and McLaren. We use a very similar version of the software here in engineering. We use 2D and 3D AutoCAD in manufacturing, and now have integrated Pro Engineer computer surface scanning software that employs a high-speed 5-axis CNC mill to give us the ability to produce dimensionally accurate body shapes and molds without the limitations and accuracies of old-fashioned handmade bucks.
The only fiberglass that we use at Factory 5 Racing is for the outer body shell. The body is mounted to a rigid support structure of steel perimeter tubing at 32 separate and concealed points, in the same way that the original car's aluminum bodies were mounted to the English AC chassis. The standard fiberglass body that comes with our kit is dimensionally accurate to original 427 specifications.
At Factory 5 Racing, we offer two different types of bodies. The standard body comes as a 3/16 inch thick vinyl ester, which is a heat-cured product. We also offer, and we're the only ones in the industry to offer, a carbon fiber body at a 1/8 inch thick.
A quality car is more than superior materials and engineering. Your car will be judged by its outward appearance as well as how it performs. With this in mind, we use authentic parts from the original manufacturers in the United States and Great Britain. These are the exact same parts that were used in the legendary 427s. We include every trim accessory that you need to finish your car. These include the original British lighting items, such as the Lucas turn signals, tail lamps, and license plate lamp. Our 3-lock set, like all exterior hardware, is chromed brass, not stainless steel or aluminum. The original Modelita small center section wood and aluminum steering wheel is handmade in Britain by the same craftsmen who have built components for legendary cars like Cobras, Aston Martins, and Jaguars for the last 50 years. The beautiful polished Aston Le Mans roller gas cap is also standard. Note the late model Mustang fuel cap concealed beneath. The original handmade chrome-on brass windscreen and original style 427 seats with full interior components round out an absolutely authentic complement of standard trim accessories. We even supply Simpson brand drivers and passengers 5-point race harness seatbelts. These are 3-inch wide frame-mounted safety harnesses that come standard in our kit. Optional accessories are available for those wanting to custom configure their car. These options include things like the original Smith's gauges set with the reverse reading 180 mile/hour speedometer. We offer authentic aluminum Hallobrand style racing wheels. You can also order a full leather interior, a soft top, and an impressive selection of race-proven performance parts. In keeping with our complete kit philosophy, we provide all fasteners, grommeting, and weather stripping to finish your car. When it comes to hardware, we only use the finest grade 5 and grade 8 fasteners. You'll get over 1,500 fasteners needed to complete your car. Our attention to detail doesn't end with quality parts. We provide pre-cut and assembled battery cables, wiring kits, and pack each sub-assembly individually. We even package the parts in the order in which you'll be building the car. Before shipping your kit, we pre-fit the aluminum panels, mount the body, and hang the doors and trunk. You can pick up your kit at our manufacturing facility for free, or we can arrange affordable shipping. You can call anytime to get a shipping quote from our plant anywhere in the U.S. The Factory 5 Racing 427 Replica is a truly accurate reproduction of the looks and spirit of the original car. It is based on the unique philosophy of using a single modern donor vehicle, namely the high-performance Mustang 5.0. The Factory 5 Racing 427 Replica comes with a fully independent tubular front suspension with aluminum-bodied rod-end adjustable coilover shocks. We use the Ford Mustang rear suspension, which is a 4-link 8.8-inch ring and pinion with posit traction. This compliant and adjustable suspension yields a modern-day race car that is also comfortable to drive on the street.
At Factory 5, we decided to use the 8.8 traction lock rear end off of the one-donor Mustang, not only because it's right there in front of you, but because of the 4-link suspension geometry that made it the modern performance bargain of the decade. If you take a look at it, you've got double triangulated control arms on that Mustang, you've got a posi traction rear end, and you've got a quad shock locating system that keeps the axle from hopping. Ford really did their homework, and what they get when used in this car is a very supple ride that does not have some of the harshness of the independent suspension cars, and still delivers wonderful straight-line performance.
The combination of modern suspension, vehicle weight, weight distribution, and chassis rigidity yields performance second to none. Dick Smith, 6-time SCCA and USRRC national champion, and the most successful 427 race car driver of all time, said, "The Factory 5 Racing Cobra Replica is one of the best handling Cobras he has ever driven." While many customers choose to use their cars on the street, the test of any design is on the track. A well-engineered car, which holds up to the stresses of racing, will provide years of reliable service on the street. In order to engineer a competent street-going package, we test every aspect of the design under the most demanding conditions which most replicas could never survive. Our racing programs shape and refine the product in a way that no amount of street testing ever could. The bulletproof drivetrain package of the Mustang made our engineering job that much easier. Some of the common problems with kit cars can be traced back to the fact that they utilized running gear from many different cars. The Mustang was well engineered by Ford for reliability and performance and enjoys an aftermarket that has benefited from years of racing development. Performance of the Factory 5 Racing Cobra places it squarely in supercar territory. 0 to 60 times in 4.9 seconds on street tires, and quarter-mile times of 13.5 seconds are what you'll see with a stock Mustang motor. Our race cars have run 0 to 60 times under 4 seconds, and street-prepared cars have run consistent 10-second quarter-mile times. Braking is also excellent, with 60 to 0 mile-per-hour distances of under 120 feet. Victories and awards have been numerous. On the track, we simply have no competition. At the 1997 Spring SAAC race held at Willow Springs Raceway in Southern California, a Factory 5 car ran the fastest Cobra lap time of the day, being bested only by Lynn Park's Daytona Coupe. That same car ran the third fastest time at the Cobra Mini Nationals at Thunderhill Raceway, California in September, and has since clocked an unbelievable 181 mile-per-hour top speed run. At both the 1997 and 1998 National Cobra Replica shootouts, we have earned first-place finishes. At the 1998 event, Factory 5 cars won the first 3 places in the street class, ended up second in the street prepared class, and won King of the Hill in the pro class. The victory at the 1998 Run and Gun was particularly sweet, as the team at Factory 5 overcame an early crash to come back and win. At the 1998 Northeast Replica Challenge, our cars won first place in the street class, first place in the street prepared class, and dominated the pro class, winning first and second place. Keep in mind that in almost every race, we regularly beat cars that cost $50,000 or more. The Factory 5 car holds numerous club and amateur racing records as well. It enjoys the unique distinction of being the first 427 replica ever to pull off 3-foot wheel stands when the drag race lights go green. We hold the record for the fastest quarter-mile pass for a Cobra replica at any national run and gun competition, and locally, we have logged the fastest lap time at Cape Cod Sports Car Club's Otis Air Force Base track. The racetrack isn't the only place where Factory 5 customers are winning. At car shows around the country, our customers consistently win Best of Show and first place finishes. At the 1998 Boston World of Wheels car show, Factory 5 customer Gary Shaney won first place. Factory 5 builder Craig Anderson scored first place at the Phoenix World of Wheels show the same year. Whether it's a large show or your local car club, with a Factory 5 car in your spot, the only competition will be for second place.
The car show is in town. Who's got the best wheels? So actually, what fuels this? Let me know. Help me out here.
It started out as a stock block out of a 1993 Ford Mustang. So what I ended up doing was we got the stock block, I changed it over to trick flow aluminum heads. We got 1.72 roller rockers on it. We got the Cobra SPO intake.
Hi, I'm Mark Smith, General Partner at Factory 5 Racing and Head of Engineering.
And my name is David Smith, and I'm a General Partner here at Factory 5 Racing.
Hello, my name is Mark Weber. I am a degreed materials engineer from the University of Michigan, and at Factory 5 Racing I'm your contact for materials management and purchasing of all products that go into the kit.
Okay, send them over. So I just want to make sure that we've got an extra one still in the film.
Hi, my name is Jesper Ingerslev. I'm in charge of Cobra Line Engineering and new product development here at Factory 5 Racing.
Hi, I'm David Rhea, and I'm a mechanical engineering major at the University of Massachusetts Dartmouth, and I work in the composite molding department.
Hi, I'm Elizabeth Langevin, and I work here in the front office as part of the Factory 5 Racing team.
Hi, my name is Jim Skank. I'm a mechanical engineer, and I work on the research and development team here at Factory 5 Racing.
Hi, I'm Paul Medeiros. I'm a welder and fabricator at Factory 5 Racing. I'm Chris Fernandez, and I'm part of the welding and fabrication team here at Factory 5 Racing.
Hi, I'm Carrie Keeney. I work in the front office at Factory 5 Racing, and I'm in charge of customer service.
Hi, I'm Tim O'Neill. I'm in charge of all the kit packaging operations at Factory 5 Racing.
Factory 5 Racing was founded by two brothers, Mark and David Smith. Since 1992, the company has grown from a small startup business located in Framingham, Massachusetts, to become one of the world's largest manufacturers of AC Cobra replicas. Factory 5 Racing has become known for incorporating state-of-the-art engineering into the design of affordable yet high-quality replicas. Recently, the company announced plans to release a coupe version as well as other 1960s-era race cars. Factory 5 also manufactures a new line of performance suspension parts for late-model Mustangs. Founder Mark Smith attributes the company's success to its team of dedicated professionals who, through hard work, innovation, and a love for performance engineering, have kept Factory 5 Racing ahead of the competition. While it is the commitment to racing programs that results in better street products, our applications of computer-based technologies and innovative manufacturing methods help us lead the industry in providing more value to our customers. Through the hard work and dedication of our team, the amazing performance of our cars, and the support of our loyal customers, Factory 5 Racing has earned its place as the recognized leader in the Cobra replica industry.
At Factory 5 Racing, we believe that to build and drive a Cobra is to take part in a truly American heritage. This heritage reaches back in time to Americans like Shelby and his team, who with ingenuity and hard work built machines that made the rest of the world stop and take notice. If you buy a Cobra kit, we hope you buy it from us, but regardless of where you buy, we're proud to share this heritage with you and look forward to seeing you at the next red light.
Hi, my name's Jesper Ingerslev. I'm the engineer in charge of the Cobra products.
Just go ahead.
One of the nice things about the Factory 5 kit is that we're using some of the
Keeney, I work in the...
As soon as I like it.
You got to work on the nut behind the wheel, but you got to work on the car is fine.
My name is Mark Weber.
We will show you in detail the specifics of our kit. We'll show you in detail the specifics of our kit, features and performance of the finished car, and we'll introduce you to the people and systems that have made Factory 5 Racing the world's leading replica manufacturer. I'm going to walk
The 427 bodies. Do you just answer it?
Factory 5 Racing Cobra as the best engineered. Okay.
Mom,
Hold
Mark
this thing
didn't
up.
mean to swear.
Hold this thing up.
Pick up which. Okay, when we designed our. My name's David Smith. I'm general partner here at Factory 5 Racing, and I'm looking down at the piece of paper. Hi, I'm David Smith. I can't stop. I'm David Smith, general partner at Factory 5 Racing.
I'm sorry, go ahead. Do it again.
All right, 6.5 wide by 72.
By 42 feet high.
42 feet.
Original Lucas lighting, headlights, turn signals. What?
You made me laugh. I didn't say anything.
We can go in the other room while we do this.
Area. Packaged kits. That was perfect, man.
Factory 5 race team. Shortly before they were all killed in a fire crash.
Red light, come on! Develop a product, ultimately making it less expensive for us to order apart and giving us high quality for you. I messed that back part up.